Hello students, welcome to Future Doctor Neet Academy. Today I am going to solve 7 problems in redox reaction chapter. Okay, so let us see the first question in the chapter. See the first question, very simple one. The oxidation number of chromium in Cr2O7 2 minus and sulfur in SO4 2 minus and phosphorus in PO4 3 minus. Okay, so oxidation number you must know here. For only the two elements you must know, hydrogen as well as oxygen. If you know means you can able to manage all this. Okay, so first of all here chromium. So chromium here, how many chromium here? There are 2 chromium, no? So here I write it here. So Cr2O7 2 minus, here 2 chromium, no? So 2x. For one oxygen what? Oxygen always remember this is always what? -2. Okay, most of the cases -2. In case of peroxide only it will be -1. Okay, just remember. So 7 into -2, you know that is -14, which is equal to what? -2. The 2x is equal to what? -2 plus 14. Okay, so 2x is equal to 12. X is equal to what? Plus 6. Understood? Plus 6 is the answer. Okay, so like this we have to find out all the other. In sulfur in SO4 2 minus, SO4 2 minus sulfur X. Okay, oxygen is 4 into -2 -8, which is equal to -2. X is equal to what? -2 plus 8. So X is equal to what? Plus 6. Understood? Then PO4 phosphorus in phosphate ion. Understood? So here I consider X, so -8, which is equal to -3. X is equal to what? Plus 5. Understood? So these are the answers. Then you can compare. 6, D is the correct one, no? 6, 6, 5. Okay, 6, 6, 6, 5. Here positive, positive oxygen number. So then I put D is the correct one. Understood? So just remember oxygen always -2. Then only you can be able to find out. Any other question is given like this, you can easily find out. Okay, next one. The role of hydrogen peroxide in the following reaction: H2O2 plus Ag2O gives 2Ag plus H2O plus O2. Okay, so what's the role of hydrogen peroxide? They're asking. Okay, so role means first we find out the oxidation number. Okay, so for you just compare oxygen here, you just compare. Okay, so here for oxygen just compare this oxygen, here also just compare the oxygen. Okay, for oxygen only we have to find out, so 2x for one hydrogen plus 1, and hydrogen always, just remember hydrogen always plus 1. Understood? Okay, so for 2 hydrogen, so 2, which is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to what? -2. X is equal to what? -1. Understood? Okay. Then here this is the first rule in oxidation number. Any element in free state, its oxidation number is 0. Here oxidation number is 0. Okay, you just compare this -1 to 0. Okay, so what? Oxidation number increases, isn't it? Oxidation number increases. Understood? Therefore oxidation takes place. So oxidation takes place means hydrogen peroxide, it's oxidized. Okay, so oxidized species is called what? We can say what? Oxidized species is called reducing agent. Are you following? Oxidation, this species is called, this species is oxidized, so oxidation takes place. Any species which is oxidized means that is considered as a reducing agent. Understood? Okay. Which substance is serving as a reducing agent in the following reaction? Okay, so here one equation is given. Okay, right, so we have to find out the reducing agent. Reducing agent is a question, no? Okay, so if the oxidation number increases means we can say reducing agent. See, I just compare this and this. I just compare. Okay, nickel, I told any element present in free state. Any element present in free state means X is equal to 0. Okay, so here nickel 2 plus what? X is equal to what? plus 2. Understood? Okay. Now see, oxidation number increases, no? Okay. Oxidation number increases. If oxidation number increases, that reaction is called what? Oxidation reaction. That species is called what? Oxidized species. Oxidized species, understood? Are you following? So oxidation number increases means nickel is called oxidized species. Oxidized species is called reducing agent. Understood? Oxidized species is called, we can say what? Reducing agent. Understood? Okay. Just quite opposite, reduced species is called oxidizing agent. Understood? So they are asking to find out which one is the reducing agent they are asking. Okay. So answer is, nickel is a reducing agent. You just find out here other one. Suppose here chromium. Chromium and chromium if you find out means what? Chromium and chromium if you find out means. So here it will be, that it will be, we are getting what? We are getting plus 6. Understood? Okay. If you find out here means we will be getting what? Plus 3. Okay. So here number decreases, no. Plus 6 becomes plus 3. Decreases. Decreases means it's called reduced species. Okay. Reduced species is considered as an oxidizing agent. This is called oxidizing agent. But our question is what? Only reducing agent. So nickel is the correct option. Understood? Right. Next one. Okay. 2H2O2 becomes a 2H2O and O2 is an example of dash reaction they are asking. Okay. So here oxidation, reduction, decomposition, disproportionation. See, what is oxidation means, oxygen number increases, reduction means oxygen number decreases, disproportionation reaction means the same species which can oxidize as well as reduced. This is called what? Disproportionation reaction. Okay. Here decomposition means, one reactant becomes 2 or 3 products. That's called decomposition reaction. You know that. Okay. So here the best example, hydrogen peroxide always a disproportionation reaction. Suppose here how we can say disproportionation reaction means you find out oxygen value here, you find oxygen value here, you find oxygen value here. Okay, you find out oxygen value here for 2 oxygen, no, 2 oxygen. So what? Okay, 2 oxygen, so 2x plus for hydrogen 2 hydrogen, no, so which is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to what? Minus 2. So x is equal to what? Minus 1. Okay, this is for this one, this oxygen. Likewise here, here how to find out this oxygen? I consider x plus 2 oxygen, no, so put 2 which is equal to 0, x is equal to what? Minus 2. Understood? Over. Next one, this is, that I told you any element which is present in free state, x is equal to what? It is not linked with any other particles, no. Then only x is equal to what? 0. You just compare. When you compare this and this means what? This and this means minus 1 becomes minus 2. So oxidation number decreases, no. Oxidation number decreases. Okay. When you compare, this and this means what? This and this means what? Minus 1 becomes 0. Increases, no. Oxidation number increases. Oxidation number, increases. So this is called, understood? Okay. Are you following? In this case, oxygen number increases. Understood? In this case, oxygen number increases. In this case, oxygen number decreases. Understood? Okay. Oxidation number, okay, decreases. Okay. So same species, same oxygen can be oxidized as well as reduced. Then only this is called what? Disproportionation reaction. Understood? Right. Are you following? Same species which can be oxidized as well as reduced is called disproportionation reaction. Okay. Okay. Next one. When Cl2 reacts with hot and concentrated sodium hydroxide solution, the oxidation number of chlorine changes from. Okay.